What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young Dub, man, coming at y'all on that Good Friday night. Today is November 9th, 2018, man. Y'all see I got a little bag in front of me. Y'all know as we keep it going, man, like I said, anything that comes to the mail should end up on this channel as long as I do an unboxing on it. If it doesn't end up on this channel here on YouTube, like something like an installation, or it might even be something that I get that is, I either figure it's too small to unbox, or maybe I just say forget it, or I just forget about it. If I do that, that should definitely be on the Instagram link that's going to be in the description box of this video. Obviously, a lot of y'all have waited for this video on this here now, so I'll get this uploaded as soon as I get done showing this, man. So, got another package in the mail. To know me is to know GP Car Audio. So I ordered some stuff from them. I want to say on Saturday. Honestly, I think I got this stuff in last night, man, but I had so much going on with the previous video. That's on here that I'm just now getting around to grabbing this stuff. So let me get this stuff unboxed here. Y'all see I got two little envelopes. Let me find my little busted scissors over here and get this stuff open right quick. So y'all know we got the build going on this year. Let me figure this out. But y'all know we got the build going on this year, man. We got the Orion SPLX 3K amp, which is essentially a 5K and a 3K body. But obviously I'll be running that thing at 0.5. Got a couple batteries, high output alternator, so she should be good to go as far as everything that I need out of her. And as I open this up, I got more stuff to open. But like I said, she should be good to go for everything that I need out of her. Yeah, we'll get that up and going sooner or later here. But basically the reason for this video right now is because I just got these things in right here, man. Y'all see that good old Everclear on it. I got some GP Car Audio A&L fuse holders. Y'all know my theme this year is all the neon green or lime green and black. Been doing that. I've been doing that with Sky High. But since I'm going, I think I'm a, it was a video I looked at. I think I'm going to go with these in the trunk. That should come through. Yeah, I guess she's focusing on that now. But these should come through pretty good in the trunk as far as what I wanted to see. Because I got it. If y'all seen the video that I just posted today, that was referring to the giveaway, all those, the batteries in it, well, right now it's only one North Star in the trunk. The other one, I'll put it in there when I actually put my subwoofer box in that trunk and get everything like strapped down and bolted down or whatever. But all the wires that are in the trunk right now, all of that is all GP Car Audio, with the exception of, I think one or two of the black ones may be new concepts. But outside of that, everything's going to be GP Car Audio, man. So y'all got to forgive me, man. I'm coughing a little bit. I literally just got back home from the casino. I was over there chilling with my girl, man. We had a good time. So I literally just stepped in the house getting from over there in Iowa, over in Council Bluffs, man. And Iowa has it to where you can smoke as much as you want till you cough up the lungs. So I'm not used to being around cigarette smoke like that. But the cool part about getting these things here from GP Car Audio, check that out, man. See if that'll come through. Look at that. GP Car Audio stamp right there on the A&L fuse. That is a 300 amp fuse. I think y'all can see that on the camera, but let me stop playing and get to the real reason for this video, man. I know everybody like, hey, man, what's up with the giveaway? What's going on? You posted the video. You told us to pick a number from 1 to 583. Happy to announce we got a winner. Somebody that I'm familiar with, very cool with. Where's my phone at? I probably should have wiped off my screen before I did this, but you know, no, I shoot raw, so I don't care. So I'm gonna pull this up. Right here. I think she's focused. So y'all can see that Baseaholic 23 hours ago, he posted the number 420. When I was at the casino, yeah, I might be able to see that too, hopefully. 7:53 p.m. I hit this, I don't know what the hell this thing, just like a random number selector. So I think you can see that right there at the top of my phone screen, 7:53 p.m. That's when like my girl was like, don't you have that thing going on YouTube? So I went ahead and hit the number on there for him. And I don't want to be, y'all see I'm going through my recent screen. I want to make sure ain't no porn or nothing stupid on there coming up. But it is 10:06 right now that I'm shooting this video, and y'all see the number is 420. Is when I hit that number on there, was it roughly 3 hours ago? I did not fool my phone too much. Like I said, we were at the casino, so I was in there trying to win me some money. So just trying to, you know, having a good night, having a good time, man. But Mr. Bassaholic, you are the winner. So obviously in this video, whoops, I don't want to drop my phone. There she goes. So Bassaholic, 23 hours ago, you did pick the number 420. A lot of y'all might partake in 420. I'm DOT, so I can't smoke a damn thing. But Mr. Bassaholic, man, you are the winner. So in the video here, in the description box, I will go ahead and list my email. That way you can send me your address, all that information here, and I will get the crap. I will get these GP dual amp inputs sent out to you tomorrow morning, man. So there they are, GP engraved on them, dual amp inputs. So if you have some real music that you're trying to run this year, man, let me help you out just a little bit. Now, to keep it at 100 for all of y'all that did not win, we did have quite a few people subscribe to the channel within the last 24 hours. Yeah, I know I've been doing a giveaway for a minute, man. I think I said 500 subscribers was the Sky High outputs. Those went out to my man Greg Jackson down in Florida. He won those. My man Mark won. I had a giveaway on New Year's. So the same deal with this. Once I get to 500 and... No, not 500, but 750 subscribers. That giveaway has been going on for a while, man. But once I get to 750 subscribers, there is, back there where that audio control box is, there is a brand new Sky High fuse holder. It's just like the GP one here. Damn it, didn't mean to drop that. It's just like this one here. The letters on it is white. The bottom of it is black. But it's brand new in the packaging. Of course, I opened it, but it's just like a slide up. But it's brand new. It's got a brand new fuse in it. I'm not sure what the amperage is. I have to take a look at it. But once we hit 750 subscribers on this channel, that'll be going out to somebody, man. So we're just waiting for people to subscribe. And still, even after that gets done, once I hit 1,001 subscribers, I'm going to be sending out that Kicker DX. That amp is, I think it's in the garage. It's a 2-channel amp, I think 60 watts by 2 RMS. So if you're getting like some super tweeters, like, I guess you can't see them. I got some Scar super tweeters back there, but they're 150 watts RMS. So I decided a while back not to use that amp. So once we get to 1,001 subscribers, man, everybody will still have a chance to win. And you never know. I might mess around and say, screw it in a couple weeks. And no matter what my status is, just have a giveaway at that time, man. You never know, man. So all I can say is I got a bill going on. Stay tuned for that. I have random giveaways. Stay tuned for those as well, man. So make sure y'all subscribe to the videos, like the videos, share the videos, man. But most of all, you know, tune into the videos, man. Stay tuned. When you hop on the comment section, man, I hop back and try to respond to everybody, man. But as far as this one here goes, congratulations to Mr. Bassaholic. I've talked to you a couple of times on here on YouTube, man. So you are the winner with that lucky number of 420. Is she gonna get it? Maybe not, man. But y'all done seen it already, man. So congratulations, Mr. Bassaholic. We'll go ahead and drop my email down in the description box of this video. Make sure you holler at me, man, so I can go ahead and get your stuff shipped out in the morning. And we'll get these GP Car Audio dual amp inputs sent out to you, man. So like I said, to everybody that didn't win, stay tuned. There's going to be a lot more stuff in the near future here, man. So it's your boy Young Dub. Like I said, any questions, comments, concerns, hit me up. I'll respond to everybody. Stay tuned for maybe a future giveaway. You never know, we might have coming up just on some random stuff, man. So y'all enjoy your Friday night. Enjoy your weekend. Stay away from the casino if they got all the smoke in there. See y'all hopefully tomorrow, man. Maybe tomorrow, like I said, we'll do a video out in the lab because I got some more wire coming. And we'll go from there, man. It's your boy Young Dub. I'm out. Y'all have a good night.